Hi, I'm Chris from DAB, and I'd like to introduce to you the DAB swimming pool range. DAB has the range of swimming pool products to manage the flow, filtration and sanitisation of your pool. Let's get started with what gets that water moving, the pumps. DAB's pumps for swimming pools are developed to guarantee reliability, efficiency and ease of maintenance. And that all begins with the EuroSwim. High performance and efficiency, extremely quiet and highly reliable, the self-priming DAB EuroSwim comes in 6 models, from half horsepower right up to 3 horsepower. When you require a quiet, high-performance pump for larger applications such as commercial swimming pools, the EuroPro High Flow with models ranging from 3 to 15 horsepower is the way to go. The pump is the beating heart of the swimming pool, and if you're looking for the most advanced pool pump on the market, you can't go past the eSwim. A high-efficiency variable speed motor and hydraulics, which will save you money, extremely quiet thanks to the water-cooled motor, and easy installation and scheduling via the guided wizard on the simple-to-use control panel and easy-to-read LCD display. Now, we made a video which goes through the features and benefits of the eSwim in greater detail, which you can easily view by clicking the link up here. DAB's V-Series fiberglass top mount sound filters offer a UV resistant and durable construction, easy to operate and ideal for use with any of DAB's pool pump range. Utilising energy efficient switch mode technology and low heat generation, the EuroChlor salt and mineral chlorinator is the perfect addition to keep your pool clean all year round. So subscribe and stay tuned to our channel for more videos, and we'd appreciate if you pump that like button. Of course, for more information on the swimming pool range and other DAB products, please visit the website at dab-pumps.com.au. See you next time.